I drove over a very high floor rail and broke my jack pad. Initially, I thought I could repair it with glue, but the stuff is very brittle. So I bought a new one, and the stuff it was pretty cheap. I bought it on AliExpress. It was about $6. So I'm driving an E46 2004 model, and it's the front left that I'm going to change. So this is what the hole looks like after it's been ripped out. The first thing you have to do is push this pin out in the middle. And then it just clips in. Just push it in. And then push in the pin that you removed. And that's it.